This is the MAX HD-50DF desk stapler. It comes in gray, as you can see here. It's almost an off-white and has some gray rubber on it. The bottom is totally covered in rubber, so it doesn't move when you're stapling on your desktop, and the top has a nice comfortable rubber overlay where you push down your thumb. This stapler uses what's called Flat-Clinch technology, which clinches a staple completely flat on the back of your paper, which I'm going to demonstrate in just a second. These staplers can staple up to 30 pages at a time, and they're made with something called twin lever technology, which enables them to staple up to 30% easier than your normal desktop stapler would through 30 pages. It's easier to staple through 30 pages with this stapler than it would be to staple through 15 pages with a normal stapler. Your staplers don't jam. This thing takes care of a nice clean stapling job every time. And I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to fold up a piece of paper. Fold it once, twice, 3, and 4 times. That's going to be just 16 pages right there. And you'll see how easy it is for the stapler to take care of that. Your normal desktop stapler is typically not going to be so easy to use. You really do have to have them sitting on a desk for them to, staple with this kind of proficiency. And I can hold this one up in the air and staple, and it just staples great. As you can see on the back, there's the stapling. This does an awesome job. And on the back, all the staples are stapled completely flat. So like I was telling you earlier, it's what's called Flat-Clinch technology. And it actually saves you, like I said, up to 25% paper filing space. Makes a real nice stack of papers as well. You don't get quite the same degree of incline on that top left corner on a stack of papers as you would with a normal stapler. This is the MAX HD-50DF. Comes in black or gray. It's available at It Works Office Products.